Hi guys, today I will unbox this safety razor. So this is a adjustable safety razor by Wahl. Then also I will show you how to install a blade on this one, because a lot of people are having issue or problem first time installing the blade for this one. So I'll show you the back of this box. So some history about this traditional Barbers safety razor, this Wahl. Then also the information about this safety razor. So this is adjustable safety razor with the 1 to 6 settings. So it depends on the type of a beard or mustache you're having, and also the thickness. So you can select. Okay, this one is an Australian company probably, and also but this is made in China. Okay, so I open this now. You can see what's inside. So very nice packaging, and like a velvety material. So here is the safety razor, and it comes with the like a cover. So normally after shaving you put this one here, then open this one. So this one is I said earlier, this is adjustable. You can see the setting here, 1 to 6, so you can just turn it like that. So that's the maximum. That's the thickest one, or the farthest away. You see the gap, bigger gap when you turn this one, so it's a smaller gap. Okay, so I will install a blade. So a lot of people are having problem with this one, so like a mistake, because other models you can just unscrew it and you put the blade on, but this one is different. So I'll show you this one. First, you will think that the way to install the blade is by removing the handle. So I'll show you how to remove the handle. So I press this part, then can take out the handle, but that is not the way to remove the blade. Probably this is just a way to clean it. Okay, just you can see there's a spring there. Yeah, you can separate. Okay, put it back together, then press. Then you can see the screw, the thread, then screw in. Then you can see the limit. That's the limit, so you can hear that sounds, and then you can. So this is one can be adjusted here. Try to tighten more. Probably strong. Okay, now that's the tightest. Okay, so adjustment 1 to 6. Okay, now I will show you how to install the blade. So first, I think the easiest way is to make it a little bit far, maximum setting. Then you can just push this out, this edge. Also, see, it is going up. And also on the other side. Now I see it's out. Then you can put the blade here. Just be very careful, so it's very sharp. Then just press down. Better put it for safety. So this one, put it down there. Then this one align to that cover. Now it's there. So the blade is installed. You can see. Then you can just adjust whatever. Normally we just use the the setting for number 1, like that. Okay, so that's it. So this is the Barbers, traditional Barbers safety razor by Wahl. Again, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this channel for more unboxing videos.